Hey guys, so let's talk about hobbies. So what do you like to do for fun? I will start with like name of hobbies, like start easy with nouns, and then we will do sentences and make verbs. So swimming, isbaha, isbaha. Reading, iqraya. It might be a little hard. You start with iqraya, iqraya. Working out or sports, riyada. رياضة starts with a رياضة. Traveling, سفر. Running, ركض. If you like to ride a bicycle in Arabic is بسكليت, but it doesn't make sense if you say like I like the bicycle. Like that doesn't make a lot of sense. Or I like the ball. Like you would have to specify like I like football. I like So we will go over that. Ball is kura, the word kura, and bicycle in Arabic is بسكليت. Now we're gonna make sentences. So I will try to make it as easy as possible, as much as I can. So if I want to say I like swimming, بحب I like بحب السباحة بحب السباحة بحب السباحة. Now if you want to use it as a verb, you would say بحب أسبح. I like to swim. بحب أسبح. Now you're not changing this whatsoever. Doesn't matter. You're a man, a woman, whatever you are. You're not gonna change it. Now بحب القراية. So we are like the words I said as nouns. We are just adding بحب in front of them. So that basically means I like to like read. I like reading. I like swimming. But that's not gonna work for like I like bicycle or I like ball. It works for some words but doesn't work for everything. So we will go over that again. So بحب القراية بحب القراية بحب القراية. But if I say it fast, it's gonna be بحب القراية. I like reading. بحب الرياضة بحب الرياضة. So if you notice, I'm saying I like the swimming, I like the reading, I like the sport. So بحب الرياضة. بحب السفر. I like traveling. I like that traveling. بحب السفر. بحب الركض. بحب الركض. So now if you want to use the actual action you're doing, like you like to swim, you like to ride a bicycle, you like to play football, you like to do sports or work out. So بحب أسبح. Again, you're not changing whatever is your gender. We're saying it the same. Okay, it is this is how you say it. بحب أسبح. بحب أقرأ. I like to read. بحب أقرأ. بحب أسافر. I like to travel. بحب أسافر. بحب أركض. I like to run. بحب أركض. Now for a few other hobbies, we're gonna add a new verb. So for example, you like to play football, we will add the verb to play. But also this is not enough. You don't just like to play ball. Like there's a volleyball, basketball, football, soccer. Like what do you like to play? So I would say, for example, soccer, كرة القدم. كرة القدم. So ball is كرة, and football, which is soccer in like in the US we say soccer, but everywhere else in the world they say football. And in Arabic we are literally translating football to Arabic. So كرة القدم. Now, if you notice how we say kura and then kuret القدم, same for like basketball, kuret السلة. سلة means basket, so kuret السلة. So if you notice, I'm pronouncing the ha as a ta in the end of the word kura, and that's what we call idafe or genitive. And if you want to practice that, I have it in my intermediate level workbook. It's a lot of sentences for variety of things, including idafe. It's gonna help you a lot because these small details, they literally change the whole meaning of your sentence. Okay, Now, bicycle, we use the verb driving for bicycle. It sounds weird in English. You don't drive a bicycle, but this is how we say it. So بحب أسوق البسكليت. Now, if you're doing Syrian or Lebanese, for some verbs, they don't add the alif I'm adding in the beginning, like بحب أسوق. In Lebanese or Syrian, they would say بحب سوق or بحب روح, I like to go. بحب إلعب. So what I'm doing right now is more Palestinian dialect. If you want Syrian or Lebanese, let me know in the comments and I'm gonna do it in that dialect. Okay, so بحب now أسوق البسكليت, drive, ride the bicycle. بحب أسوق بسكليت. For sports or working out, we can use the verb to play. So بحب ألعب رياضة. I like to play sports or yeah. So بحب ألعب رياضة. So these are the some hobbies. Also, we can go over volleyball. If you like volleyball, كرة الطائرة. So كرة القدم means soccer. كرة السلة basketball. كرة الطائرة means volleyball. Okay, I hope this is helpful and I was not too fast. If you have any comments, let me know. Check out my workbooks. They have a lot of different levels. And I just started Instagram and TikTok, so make sure you follow me there if you want to talk to me live, and I will love to answer your questions. Thank you so much.